If you're having trouble, if you can't join lobby, these some of steps that you can take. So to fix this, Warzone stuck on lobby on your PC. So for the step 1, from your desktop, click on this search and search for command prompt. Here it is. You can open it. After opening it, you have to type netsh space winsock space reset and click enter. Then you have to type here ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click enter. It will successfully flush the DNS resolver cache, and after doing it, you have to type ipconfig space /release. Click enter. Then type ipconfig space /renew. Click enter. It will give you these sum of details here. Then at last, you have to type here netsh space int space ip space reset. Click enter, and that's it. This was the first step. Now you have to restart your PC or laptop. After starting it, again click on this search and then open this command prompt again, where you have to find the best DNS servers in order to fix this Warzone error. So we will type here 2 DNS servers. Firstly, type ping 1.1.1.1. Click enter. It will give you details about ping of this DNS server, and then you have to type here second DNS server, which is ping space 8.8.8.8. Click enter. Then it will show you here ping details. You have to find lowest ping DNS server. In my case, it's 8.8.8.8. After finding it, close it. Click on this search and search for settings, open it, and you will be on this system. You have to open this network and internet, where you'll find this Ethernet, open it, and in this DNS server assignment, click edit. It will be on this automatic, open it and change it to manual. Turn on this IPv4, where firstly you have to type here preferred DNS. So I found this 8.8.8, the fastest DNS server with lower ping. So I will type here, and then in alternate DNS, you can type 8.8.4.4. You can also get this preferred and alternative DNS servers through Google search. Then simply click save. So these were the easiest steps to fix Warzone stuck on lobby on your PC or can't join lobby fix for COD Warzone in just few easy steps.